Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we remove stains. Grease and oil stains are not only tough to remove, they're sadly also very easy to come by. It's important not to let the stain sit, as it can easily set into the fibers of the fabric. As soon as you notice you've got a grease stain on your garment, take action right away. I put some oil on this top and now I will show you what to do. You only need one simple product, hairspray. Spray thoroughly over your stain and let it sit until it dries. For me, it took about 1 hour. The kitchen is the easiest place to pick up oil stains, especially those from cooking oil. The trouble with oil is that it leaves a nasty stain behind that doesn't seem to go away even after you've washed the garment. Here I show you the hairspray on the stain is completely dry. Now all you have to do is to wash the stain with cold water and soap. So simple and easy. I just did some videos about removing different stains. If you're interested, I will link at the end of this video my stain removal playlist. There you can learn how to remove chocolate stains, ketchup and tomato sauce stains, pen stains, denim stains. Be sure to check out other videos like this. I have a lot of cleaning hacks videos on my channel to help you clean faster and easier. Here you can see the oil stain is completely gone. This method works 100%. Remember, don't use the dryer if you haven't removed the stain 100%, as it could set in permanently. I will let the top air dry and you can see it's stain free. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!